Well, I don't have to tell you, summer is officially here, and that's why we are bringing home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery back on the show. She always has the latest finds for what's in store for our yard, our homes. Good morning, Kathryn.
Welcome to my backyard and the best time of the year, summer.
I'm telling you, it is the best time of the year. Now, that backyard looks a little familiar to me.
Might have had you over this weekend, right? And do you wish that I was cooking in the #1 trend for 2022 for home that I'm loving, the pizza oven?
I literally don't know anyone who doesn't love pizza. Tell me all about it.
Oh my God, I love it. So this is the Halo Versa 16. So I was running around National Hardware Show. I saw this thing. I fell in love. I had to show it to you. So here's what makes it stand out above the rest of other pizza ovens. And I'm loving this trend where people are bringing portable pizza ovens. So #1, it's a dual burner system. So you push to ignite it. It's got a infrared burner underneath the corduroy stone. It's got a burner in the back that's going to get you convection style cooking. Here's what I love, JJ. You can actually adjust the temperature. You can't do that on most. So you could cook pizzas in here in 3 to 5 minutes, but you can also cook breads, cook other things. It also has a push button where the stone will rotate, so you don't have to do any work, no flipping that pizza. It's got a hinged lid that you can open up when it's time to clean it.
Oh.
And it's super portable, so you can like move it around. You can put you could put 1 pound propane, take it camping, take it tailgating, or attach it to 20 pound. But isn't that amazing? Everybody needs a pizza oven in their life. And I mean, crank them out in 3 to 5 minutes in the Halo Versa 16, right?
I love it. I bet your Italian mama has one of those. I love it. Hey, Kathryn, watering is a huge issue here in Southern Nevada, but we want to keep those yards green, our trees alive.
Absolutely. And I know you are near and dear to this one. So irrigation is the #2 water waster in the house. And think about all of our trees and shrubs. We're watering them from the surface. And is that water really getting down to the roots? So this is the root quencher. So how it works is you'll look at a tree that needs some water and find the existing irrigation line. You'll dig a hole near that. You'll cut into that existing irrigation line. You'll put a T-bracket in, and then you'll put the root quencher in the ground, adjust the valve so it'll work with your sprinkler system. You can also do it with a hose or something else. And voila, you're watering. Cap that sprinkler head. You're not wasting water anymore. You can also fertilize those trees. Or I know they're in Nevada, same here in California, there's trees by pools and you have to oftentimes remove those trees, and that's so sad. Well, you can retrain your root growth by putting a root quencher behind the pool like we did. I showed a little video here, but just an amazing thing. So check it out. Save money on your water bill. Your trees are living longer. Everybody's happy. The trees are happy. We're happy. The environment's happy. Done, right?
I love it. How about getting organized?
Right. Okay. Now, my best advice to you is look around. What do you need to store? Make sure you get a shed that's big enough for you. So I fell in love. This is Rubbermaid. It's brand new at Home Depot. It's a 10.5 by 7 foot shed, and it can store virtually anything for you. So, you know, bikes, lawn equipment, sporting equipment. I love it too. It's got these panels that you can adjust for your family. So whether you want to put garden hose, you know, like I said, tools, lawn, rakes, bats, whatever you want to put on that wall, you can actually click them right there on the panel. The shed itself is pretty weather resistant. So I know you experience extreme heats there.
Yes.
Someone watching this that's in the East Coast where they get the rain and the snow. So go into Home Depot, check out the Rubbermaid shed. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm going to go chill out in there. Next time you and I will just hide in there with our pizza.
Hey, Kathryn, I know that you probably need to upgrade your shed and get one a little bigger. That's the thing is, like, we always need more storage than we think,
right?
By the way. Yes.
And don't get the wrong size one, because then it's like all the stuff sitting in front of the shed. So I love that big one, right?
Yes. I don't know if you know, but we have had an epic season of winds in Las Vegas, and that means debris from palms and plants all over our yards.
Let's go back to basics. Get a really good broom.
Yeah.
So this is the Quickie 2-in-1. It's a push broom on one side for those dusty messes, the real fine particles. But JJ, on the other side, it's a squeegee. Ooh. So, you know, I know there's a lot of rain. There's like flooding by the pool. Don't you love that? It's made of fiberglass, so you can leave it outside because I don't want to think about my cleaning products. I just want them to be there when I need them. But again, go on into Home Depot here for these are Quickie. This is by Quickie. And I love it. It's just durable, 2-in-1. Who doesn't need that, right?
I love it. 30 seconds. Can you just tell us what else you have on that table, please?
You're going to laugh at me. I geeked out on this product. So this is called the Quick Dam. So in the event of a disaster and a flood, everyone rushes to home improvement stores to get sandbags and they're out. So this is, you just put it down when you need it. It'll protect your home from flooding. And I love it because it's got a super absorbent polymer in there. So then it's just going to voila. Once you put it down in the water, you can move it around. It's going to act as a barrier for you. These bags they're 4 gallon, 32 pounds, flood 5, 10, 17 feet of these flood barriers. So quickdams.com, check it out because you know what? Have it in your garage, and when you need it, boom, you put it out, and you're good to go.
Kathryn, these are like such great ideas. Thank you so much. We know you've had over 20 years of working with Home Depot and Lowe's, so you know what's going on around the home. If people want to reach out and learn more about these products, should they visit BeTheBestHome.com?
You know it, my friend. BeTheBestHome.com to learn about all this stuff and more awesome home improvement stuff.
I tell you what, not only are you an expert on home improvement, but you also make a pretty mean Aperol spritz, my friend. So thank you for hanging out with me.
The pizza's waiting as well next time.
Oh, okay. Promises, promises. I'll see you soon, my friend. Take care.
Happy summer, girl.
All right, for these and even more amazing home ideas, again, visit her website, BeTheBestHome.com.